Toya, are you familiar with paintless dent repair? Say no.
No.
Okay. Most people aren't. However, you may be familiar with this particular scenario. You come out of a building, maybe it's a church building, maybe it's a restaurant, maybe it's Target or Walmart, and you discover that someone is parked too close to you and they've dinged or dented your vehicle. Has that ever happened to you?
Yes, it has.
What did you do, Toya?
Absolutely nothing.
Toya, did you even look into how much a small ding or dent would cost to be if it was repaired using the paintless dent repair process?
Yes, I did.
How much was it?
It was about $80.
Okay, that had to be a pretty good size one. The smaller ones are 50, the bigger ones are 150, so yours had to be a medium sized one. Okay, but you didn't pay to have it fixed, did you?
Right.
Toya, do you know that you did end up paying for that ding or dent anyway, don't you?
Yes.
How?
Because it devalues my vehicle.
Okay, Toya, what percentage of the customers know that?
None.
So you're not behaving properly.
I'm sorry.
You're behaving like a 22-year car veteran. I need you behaving like a consumer.
Okay, I got it.
Okay?
Okay, I got it.
You ended up paying for those. You know how?
No, I don't.
Every time you trade a car in, every time you sell one privately, someone's going to look at the condition of your car. The single most determining factor of the value of a trade-in or a used car is the condition of the car. If you had many dings and dents, someone deducted $50 to $100 for every one of those from the value of the vehicle. So, what can we do for you? Here's what we are going to do for you. For the next year, complimentary, on us, we will fix an unlimited number of dings and dents that can be repaired using the paintless dent repair process. What that means is your car is going to stay better looking longer, and I hope that matters to you. But more importantly, you will probably get more for that vehicle when you go to trade or sell it down the road. Paintless dent repair is complimentary for a year. We'll fix an unlimited number of dings and dents. And by the way, you can extend that coverage out to 5 years. That's communicating paintless dent repair.